Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's class. Today we are learning Unit 8 poem Meadow Surprises. So, what is the meaning of meadow? So, meadow meaning is a limited, relatively flat area of grass and a low vegetation. Okay, a flat area of a grass. Okay, surprises, wonders, pasture. In Hindi, if we say means charaga, where the animals graze. So, let us go through the poem. Walk across a green field, a park, or even under a clump of trees, and you will notice many wonderful things. What are some of the surprises a meadow has for someone with a keen eye and a sharp ear? Okay, so different way is there how the people feel surprise. First stanza, meadows have surprises. Yeah, from the far when we see the grassy land, we feel so beautiful it is. But when we come near also it is so beautiful, different small plants and grasses have come upon. You can find them if you look. Yeah, if we find, we can see them. Walk softly through the velvet grass. Softly means very gently. Like in Hindi, if we say a dabe pound, how without making a noise we walk sometime in our house also, and sometime on the place where we doesn't want to anyone to hear. Velvet means silken grass, makhmali. Okay, and listen by the brook. Brook means a close to the stream of water. Means near a stream. Jaldhara ke najik, if we say in Hindi. You may see a butterfly. Yeah, many of different kinds of butterfly with different beautiful colors we can find there. Rest upon a buttercup. Okay, raised upon a buttercup. So what is buttercup? Buttercup is a wild plant with a bright yellow cup shaped flowers. With a bright yellow cup shaped flowers. And unfold its drinking straws. Its drinking straws are a pipe to drink a liquid. Means how the honeybee sits on the flower and sips the honey. To sip the nectar up. The meaning of nectar means the parag, घूंट भरना no nectar. We say. You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still, though at first you may not see him when he hopes you will. Okay, so the poet is telling that sometime walking on the grass you may sometimes scare, means make a frighten a small rabbit who is sitting very still, though at first you may not see him. Sometime it happens that we are not able to see him, but when we see him, when they jump and run away while they are silently eating the grass, we can't see them. A deadlino whose goozy head. Deadlino is a flower, bright yellow flowers and leaves with a notched edge. Means deadlion one of the एक जंगली पौधा है. ओके, whose golden days ago, before so many years, has turned the airy parachutes. Parachute, you know, it is a shape of umbrella. So this deadlino flower also is like a shape of umbrella. Okay, deadlino flower that flutter when you blow. What flutters when you blow? A deadlino flower flutters when you blow. Explore the meadow houses. We explore means move here and there to see the meadow, travel through. The burrows in the ground, or nest beneath tall grasses. The ants' amazing mound. Ants' amazing mound means you must have seen the mounds, a peel of the earth where the ants are living. Beneath a tall grass, the birds are making their own nest. Oh, meadows have surprises. So naturally, the meadows or grassy area, they have always a surprise in them and many things to tell. So there are many other things when we go near, we can find it. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. If we look at the things, everything very positively, we can find it. Okay, we can find it. So dear students, today we have learned these poem, The Meadow Surprises. You have to write down the words meaning in your notebook. Have a good day and thank you to all. Good morning students. Today we will be going through a poem, Meadow Surprise, working with the poem, exercise. So question number 1 is, so what is that? Read the lines in which the following phrases occur. Then discuss with your partner the meaning of each phrases in its context. So the 5 points are there. One is a velvet grass, drinking straws, meadow houses, amazing mount, and fuzzy head. So velvet grass means a grass which feels as soft as velvet under our feet. Drinking straw, the long narrow tube that a butterfly used to suck nectar from the flower. Meadow houses, home of small animals and insects that live in grasslands and open fields like burrows and holes, nests and ants' mounds. Fuzzy head, the head of a deadlino flower, made up of many small golden yellow flowers that get dried up and blown away by air as small little parachute. Okay, so the 5 meanings for these 5 phrases. Number 2, which line in the poem suggests that you need a keen eye and a sharp ear to enjoy a meadow? Read aloud the stanzas that contains these lines. So which are the stanzas are containing these lines? It is told that we are to read aloud. Dear students, the solution of this answer is given here. You can write down in your notebook. Question number 3. Find pictures of the kinds of birds, insects and scenes mentioned in the poem. Same thing, you have to do it by yourself and find out the answers. Watch a tree or a plant or walk across a field or park at the same time every day for a week. Keep a diary of what you see and hear. At the end of the week, write a short paragraph or a poem about your experiences. Put your writing up on the class bulletin board. So same thing, third and fourth answer should be done by yourself. So dear students, the answers are written here. That should be written in your notebook with a good and beautiful handwriting. Have a good day and thank you to all.